In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the OnePlus gestures on any Android device as long as they're running on Android 9 Pie. So this method requires root access. First of all, you'll have to download and install the QuickStep Magisk module. After installation is complete, you will need to reboot. Once reboot is done, install the modded OnePlus launcher, which is linked up in the description. Now do not set up the OnePlus launcher as the default launcher just yet. First of all, you will have to go to the QuickStep app through a different launcher and set the OnePlus launcher as the recent provider. After that is done, reboot again. Once the device has been booted up, you can enjoy the OnePlus 6T gestures. They are somewhat similar to the gestures offered by the iPhone X series. It's a swipe up from the bottom to go home, swipe up and pause a bit for recents, and it's a pleasure switching between apps. The transitions are really smooth. It's hard for me to explain by merely saying this, but when you actually use it all the time, it feels like what Android gestures should have been on all devices. The gestures are easy and fluid. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.